It's Andrew here. Just did a dash cam install on my Commodore VF. I didn't see much videos on YouTube for the VF, so I thought I'll make one just to make it easier for other people. It's a quick install, takes about 45 minutes, pretty easy. So obviously, show you the dash cam that's been installed. Yeah. I've searched around on YouTube and so what on the website, found budget dash cam that wasn't too bad, that was decent quality. That was the Viofo Pt.1. Just for a disclaimer, I'm not a professional, I'm just doing a DIY, thought I'll share the video with everyone. So obviously basic tools, screwdriver, a soldering iron, some solder, a dash cam, pliers, socket wrench, some trim tools so you don't wreck your car, and a light. So basically I installed it right up there, just behind the revision mirror. It's nice and sleek, not many people can see it. It's just for your own safety, you don't have to get one. It's one of those things where you want to protect your car. If you're involved in an accident, there's something to prove that it wasn't your fault or what happened. So yeah, I've hardwired it to my car through the panel here, and then run it straight down in there and connected to one of the wires that had accessory cables. Yeah.